Hi, good morning. Today's topic is sales order processing and reorder level. So first of all, I would like to tell you about sales order processing. Sales order processing is the journey of a sales order from sale order creation, sales order approval, delivery of goods, invoicing and its closure. And the sales order contains the following details like customer name, name of stock item, quantity and rate details, date of order, etc. Explanation of the sales order is, so first of all we create a sales order. It is an order placed by a customer. It is also known as confirmation document, which contains the details of goods, price details and time. In TelePrime, the details of this transactions is recorded in sales order voucher. Step number 2. Prepare delivery of goods. Once the sale order is approved based on the sales order, the company will supply the goods to the customers. In TelePrime, the details of this transaction is recorded in delivery note voucher. Step number 3. Good rejected by customer. Once the goods are received, then customer will compare it with the sales order and check the quality of goods, and if any goods are in damaged condition, the goods are rejected by the customer. In TelePrime, the details of this transaction are recorded in rejection and voucher. This voucher is recorded only in case of rejections. If there are no rejections, then next step should be followed. The fourth step is approval of the sales invoice. Once the goods are accepted by the customers, then you can process the sales invoice. In TelePrime, the details of these transactions are recorded in sales invoice, sales voucher. Once after recording this transaction, the sales value will get reflected in accounting reports like balance sheet and profit and loss account. Next, fifth step is sales return. Sometimes in the inventory business, the goods might be rejected by the customer after raising the sales invoice due to some quality issue. At this time, customer will issue a debit note, and as a company you will issue a credit note. In TelePrime, the details of this transaction is recorded in credit note voucher. This voucher is recorded only in case of sales return and when the goods are returned after recording sales invoice. They have given me one point to remember. Credit note is a document issued to a party stating that you are crediting their account in company's books of account for the stated reason. And the step number 6 is receipt of the finalized amount. Once the order is completed, then the payment is received from the customer. In TelePrime, the details of these transactions are recorded in receipt voucher. So there are 2 points to be remembered. Number 1 is for returning the damaged goods, we have used the voucher rejection and credit note. The difference is when the goods are rejected before recording the sales invoice, the details should be accounted in rejection in voucher because it will impact only the inventory reports. And number point 2 is when the goods are rejected by the customer after recording the sales invoice, then the rejection details should be recorded in credit note voucher because it will impact both accounting and inventory reports. Now, the practical questions are here now. I'll show you practically how we create sales order process. So for this, we will go to voucher. We will go to F10 vouchers, and from here I can see that my sales order shortcut key is Ctrl plus F9. I'll press Ctrl plus F8. So here you can see that my sales order voucher has been opened now. The question is, as on 18 August 2023, Shri Devi International received an order from Hathis Electronics for the following stock items with order number SO/01. So here I'll change the date to 1st August and create a ledger Hathis electronic under sundry debtor, and here I'll add a order number SO underscore 01 sales. Here Samsung 6 kg top load due on 1st August. Godown is Karnataka location. Quantity is 25 numbers. So we have purchased 50 quantity of Samsung 6 kg top load, out of which we are now selling 25 numbers at the rate 18,000. Next is Samsung kg front load. Karnataka location 25 at the rate 35,000. So this way we have done the sales order. Now the next is now the next is I want to show you one thing. I want to show you how to print sales order. Go to preview, order set, and here this is the sales order we have printed for Hathis Electronics. So this is the sales order. Alright. Again we will go to vouchers. Now we will open delivery note vouchers. So for this we will go to F10 vouchers and we'll see what is the shortcut key for delivery voucher. Delivery note shortcut key is Alt plus F8. Alt plus F8. So here is my delivery note voucher. Here what I'll do, the question says that as on 20th August 2020, Shri Devi International delivered the following stock items against the sales order number SO01 to Hathis Electronic on credit with delivery note number and tracking number 1. So I'll keep a reference number as 1. Change the date to 2nd August. Party account name will be Hathis Electronic. And now I will link the order number SO01 with delivery note, and now you will see automatically all the details will come automatically. See, alright, so this way my delivery note is ready now. Next is rejection and voucher. So once after receiving the goods by the customer, they will check the good quality and its specification as per the sales. Then if there is any mismatch in the specification defined in the sales order or the quality of the goods received is not good, then the goods are rejected by the customer. So a rejection in voucher is used to record goods that are rejected and returned by the customer. So I'll go in F10 vouchers and see what is the shortcut key for rejection in is Control plus F6. Control plus F6. So here I'll add Hathis Electronic, and what are we are rejecting? We are rejecting Samsung 6 kg top load 3 units. So Samsung 6 kg top load 3 units. Auto at the rate 18,000. So this way my entry is done. Alright. Next is we will record the sales invoice now. So out of like Samsung 6 kg top load, we had placed an order for 25 units, but out of 25 units 3 units have been rejected. So now we will make a sales invoice of 22 units of Samsung 6 kg top load. So I'll open my sales voucher over here. The reference number will be 15. Party account name is Hathi Electronic. We will link the tracking number 1 and you will see all the detail has come automatically. So we have total sales of 12,71,000. This one. Alright, and the last step is as on 25th August 2020, Shri Devi International received payment through SBI check 960035 from Hathis Electronic for 12,71,000 against invoice number 15 recorded on 22nd August 2020. For this, I'll open my receipt voucher and change the date to 1st September. And here from Hathis Electronic, we are receiving the payment 12,71,000 against the reference debit. I'll debit my SBI bank account under bank account, and here I will add the check number 960035 960036 SBI checkbook 1. And now you can see that earlier the Hathis Electronic current balance was 12,71,000, but now it becomes 0 now because now we have received the amount from Hathis Electronic. So current balance is 0 and SBI current balance is 12,71,000. So this is so we will write down manually the check number over here 960035 and specify the bank name State Bank of India. Alright. So this is all about sales order processing. So we will discuss more questions about sales order processing now. So the first question of sales order processing is order received from C Sagar distributors for chairs by order number SSD001. The due date for delivering the goods is 4 August and select appropriate godown with 1% delivery charges. So here I'll go to F10 vouchers and see this is my sales order. I'll open my sales order. Here we are receiving this sales order from C Sagar distributor on 1st July 2017. So here I'll create a ledger C Sagar distributor under sundry debtor. I'll change the date 1st July. I'll add the order number. It is SSD underscore 001 sales, and now the stock item is chairs, so it is already credited by me. It is due on 1st August and godown is, where is the godown? Godown will be warehouse. Quantity is 150 pieces have been placed as order at the rate 690 per piece. Now we will create a ledger of delivery charges under indirect expense, and delivery charges are 1%. So this way sales order has been successfully placed. Now we will go to F10 vouchers and will open my delivery note. Here the next question is of delivery note. They are saying that on 2nd August 2017, goods were delivered to C Sagar distributor against the order number SSP underscore 001. So here the delivery note number reference number is GN01. Date is 1st August. Party account name is C Sagar distributor. I'll link my sales order with the delivery note, and you can see that the details will come automatically. Alright, next is rejection in. So C Sagar distributor rejected chairs on 2nd August 2023, reason inferior quality. So you can see that out of 150 pieces of chairs, 2 pieces of chairs were of inferior quality. So now C Sagar distributor, that means the customer is returning 2 chairs back to the Shridevi International. So for this we will go to F10 vouchers, and from here we will go to rejection in voucher. Here I'll add C Sagar distributor and will add chairs, 2 pieces at the rate 690, and you can see that I have returned the 2 pieces now. Alright, now the next question is, I will create a sales ledger over here, sales invoice with reference number SAL01, dated 2nd August. To C Sagar at the name of C Sagar distributor. I will link my delivery note 1 with sales, and you can see that all the details have been come now, but now the quantity of the chairs is 148 pieces right now. Delivery charges, and this way my entry is done. Here I'll create a name of the bill is SAL01. Alright, next is credit note. So credit note is a document issued to a party stating that you are crediting their account in your books of accounts for the stated reason, or vice versa. It is commonly used in case of sales return, escalation, de-escalation in price, etc. So C Sagar distributor returning chairs which were damaged in transit. So now out of 148 pieces, they are again returning 8 pieces of chairs on 2nd August 2017. So for this, I'll go to F10 vouchers and we'll go to credit note, and here I'll add C Sagar distributor, sales. I'm returning chairs of quantity 8 units at the rate 690. So now you can see that it will come under against reference, and this credit note is done. Now the next and the last step is receiving rest of the payment. So I'll see how much I need to receive now. We will go to we will change the date to 1st July, and here I'll check my sales. 1st August. See, now out of 148 pieces, we have returned 148 pieces right now. So now how much we need to receive now? This thing we will check in display more reports. We'll go to account books, sorry, statement of accounts, outstanding and receivables. So from here we will check the C Sagar distributor. Now we first of all we place order of we create a sales ledger of 1,03,155, out of which we rejected 8 chairs of rupees 5,520. Now we have to receive 97,635 rupees. So at the end of the step, they have told me to receive 97,635 rupees from C Sagar distributor via SBI Bank. So I will go back 97,635. We will go back and will pass a receipt entry. We will open receipt voucher. Here I'll credit C Sagar distributor 96,000. Let me see the amount again. 97,635. 97,635. It will against reference and debit my SBI bill. In this way, we have done the receipt. So this is all about sales order processing. So I hope you understood this topic very carefully and very easily. So there is no hard and fast rule to do sales order processing and purchase order processing. Each and everything is very simple. Very simple steps are involved in sales order processing and purchase order processing. So I'll get back to you in next videos with some interesting topics. So stay tuned with me, and thank you so much.